Well, guys, Kyle's got determination. Put the ATV tires on the skinnier rims. And they fit. Not much clearance, but it fits. We just got to bend that bar because show them slim, when you put it in drive, it rubs. When you lock it into drive, it rubs. So all we're going to do is bend that up and get the other one on. That's awesome, eh? And we got to get some different front tires. So the old rear tires will fit on rims because the two spare tractors, the bore is different on it. That's got a 3/4 bore, and those ones are actually smaller. Well, the one isn't, but the bearing's gone out of the rim, so we're gonna have to find a couple rims with a 3/4 bore on it. But she's looking pretty sweet.
Explain about that red Honda. That's wicked today.
What?
Red Honda.
Oh yeah. And we got a new addition. It's the Honda HT 3813 2-cylinder liquid cooled. Got it for 60 bucks. That's no lie. 60 bucks.
The guy was gonna scrap it.
It was actually at the scrapyard gonna scrap it. But he says it runs. The starter didn't start on him, so who knows? It might even be the frickin' battery. But we're gonna order a key for it, and I'm gonna get it running. It's got a 38-inch deck on it. Absolutely mint. 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Can you believe that?
It's a throwaway society.
Yeah, it's definitely a throwaway society. And the old guy said he had it since new. And it was the first time it ever let him down. So we're gonna get the starter rebuilt and new key for it, and probably sell it for $500-600 bucks. Because right now I've got $700 invested in James's vet bill, so gotta come up with the money somehow.
Time for the fun part.
Oh, he's got the other one on. I'll fill her up. Yeah!
20 minutes later.
I know, eh? It takes forever.
Oh, seriously, it took like 15-20 minutes to actually fill it to like 5 psi.
Yeah. Alright guys, we'll be back shortly. Determination has finally paid off. No, it's got to go more. The rim's pushing it.
Move it in. That's not stable.
Get one on. You'll have to move the rim.
Amateurs, eh?
Amateur.
Amateur, immature.
I'll take that.
I'll give you that.
Sweet. Alrighty, well, when we get her all tightened on, have the glory ride. Oh, I can't believe how high you sit now. Is it comfy?
It's actually a lot more comfy. Looks better, huh?
Oh, that's awesome. Gotta warm it up. Oh, that's crazy. That's awesome. That is so awesome.
That's disgusting. That is so sick.
He's having a hard time controlling it.
He can totally climb a curb on that thing now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta get a throttle cable on it.
Yeah, because it's low. It's meant to be red. Oh, Chico.
Oh, here he goes. No, we gotta get a throttle cable on it, dude.
It's too doggy.
Yeah. We gotta get a throttle cable. Yeah, it will. We need a throttle cable. That's awesome. Alrighty guys, that's the newest creation. We'll put up another vid when we get some front wheels for it.